Maya, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure you guys have stumbled upon many TikToks or YouTube videos on people customizing their iPhone with iOS 14, and that is kind of what I'm going to be doing today. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I customize my iPhone with iOS 14. But it's going to be a little different because a lot of the videos that I have seen are like tutorials of people customizing their phone, but they already have customized it. But I'm going to make a video on customizing my phone for the first time, and I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step process of how I customize my phone. Let's get into the video. The first step that we all need to do is update our phones to iOS 14. Alright guys, so I'm going to start customizing my phone, and I made this last night because I wanted to have kind of an idea of what I was going to do once I updated my phone to iOS 14. So this, you're probably not going to get it, but this is kind of how I want to organize my apps throughout the 3 pages. And this is kind of what I want my first page to look like with the widgets in between my apps. This is kind of what I want my second page to look like, and this is kind of what I want my third page to look like. So let's get started on adding some widgets. So the first one that I want is the calendar widget, and I think I'm going to make that on color widget. So the 2 apps I will be using that I know you guys have heard of are Widgetsmith and Color Widgets to make widgets that are on your home screen. So I'm going to go into color widgets. I kind of already made a widget on here. And it's this one. So basically I just customize it to make it look like something that I like, and then I'm just gonna go to click on an app, click edit home screen so it goes into like jiggle mode, and then we're gonna click the plus sign in the top left corner. We're gonna scroll until we see color widgets, and then I made this medium one. So I'm going to click add widget, and there it is. That looks super cute. I like that. Okay, so we have our first widget, and then I wanted 2 more of the small ones on this page, so I'm going to make those right now. So I'm going to go into Widgetsmith, and I kind of already experimented, made some widgets already, but I am going to make one for you guys to see. So I'm going to click add small widget, and then I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to make a photo one to put my custom photo in the widget. So I'm going to click on photo, I'm going to click on select photo, I'm going to go into my iOS 14 album, and then I want this photo. I'm going to save this, and then I'm going to go back to edit home screen, click the plus sign, scroll all the way down to Widgetsmith, and then I'm going to click add small widget. Now I want to add 1 more small widget to this screen. So I'm going to go back to Widgetsmith and make another small widget, and I'll let you guys know when I'm done. Okay, so I added another small widget of a quote that I like that says stop waiting for Friday. So now I have a kind of calendar widget and 2 small widgets on my first page. And now I kind of want to go into organizing my apps for this page. So I think I'm going to remove the calendar app from my home screen and add it to my app library, because the widget at the top kind of acts as a calendar app for me. So this is kind of what my first page is looking like, and then I want to kind of organize my second page now. So on my second page I wanted 7 folders plus the Bible app. I'm going to edit my home screen and add the apps that I wanted on the second page, and then these apps I wanted on a third page. So I'm going to add the apps that I want on the third page to the third page, and these are kind of like my social media apps. I need to also figure out what I'm going to do with the Widgetsmith and Color Widget apps. I'm probably going to add it to my app library. Okay, so now I kind of have the distinct apps that I want on each page. So now I'm going to add the widgets to the second page that I want. So I'm going to go to Widgetsmith, and then I'm going to add a medium widget, and then I'm going to see, I already have like a calendar one, so I'm either going to do when the sun is going to rise and set, or this Starfield one. That kind of looks cool. Maybe I'll save that and see what it looks like. I'm gonna edit home screen. I'm gonna add a medium widget and then edit that widget so it is my medium 2. So is that Starfield? I'm gonna move it to the bottom. Okay, that's kind of cool. Okay, I'm gonna keep it there for now. Okay guys, so I kind of like messed around with all like the widgets and stuff. So this is what my first page is looking like. So I have the time and date on the top, and then I have 2 small widgets of like quotes and the time the sun sets. And on my second page I have the star medium widget, and then I have a small picture widget on the second page. And apps wise, on the first page I have like the main apps that I normally use, and then on the second page I have most of my folders, and then on the third page I'm kind of working on, I have most of my social media and like entertainment apps, and then on the bottom I just have all my like communication apps like my messages. But I think I'm just gonna work more on the last page. And by the way guys, this is like a more simplistic tutorial because I am not changing the cover of the apps because I feel like that will be way too complicated for me. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm working on my third page of apps, and I added a large widget of my reminders app. I really like that because I can just write down the reminders that I need and it's going to show up in that large widget. So I also am going to hang out with friends at 2 o'clock today. So I'm just going to add that, and I think it needs a while to load. On the last page, the one that I was kind of having trouble with, I have a reminder large widget like this because I can see all of my reminders. I just have my main social media entertainment apps, and then at the very bottom, like I said before, I just have my main communication apps. So this is what I have come up with. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I had a fun time creating widgets, and I definitely am going to be making a lot more and customizing it more throughout the season and stuff, but I think this is super cute. So as always, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell when you do subscribe. And I post videos every Friday, so stay tuned for that, and I can't wait to see you guys next Friday for a brand new video. Thanks for watching guys. Love you. Bye.